Hi, good morning, and welcome to our video journal. Today is Saturday, so we need to run some errands, go to the hospital appointment since si heartbeat na siya laboratory test today, ECG and stuff, and we need to clean the house and prepare our breakfast, and yeah, basically that's it. Naglaba na ako. So while waiting for the people na magmata, so mag-prepare na lang ako of breakfast. So it's already 9 in the morning, and tulog pa ang tanan. So since matulog hospital is 1 p.m. pa. Okay, nakalimot mi nga ang schedule ni Heart kasi ang ECG is every afternoon. So, and other stuff available in the morning. Pero gusto mo isahan na lang. So, yeah, 1 p.m. na lang mo atong hospital. Sabak kayo. Fan mo rin sa sarili airport dire. So, maglaban na lang sa ako din mag-prepare breakfast.